Hi, my name's Alan. A couple of years ago I had a squirrel get inside my truck, inside the engine bay of my truck, and do a considerable amount of damage 2 different times. First time it cost me $150, second time it cost me about $200. So I looked for a solution to that problem, and here's what I found. It's Mighty Mint rodent repellent. It's U.S. farmed peppermint, so it's real peppermint. And the a squirrel is a rodent. It's just, we call them tree rats. That's what they are. But she got back in the back of my engine compartment. She cut wires. She cut wires to the computer over here. She cut wires to the blinkers. She cut wires to the lights and the wipers and stuff. She cut wires to my injectors. I mean, she just really did some major damage. When I told someone about what happened to me, they gave me a story of a guy that had a huge, nice diesel truck, probably $70,000, $80,000 truck. And a squirrel had got under his and had done $10,000 worth of damage. Like to have never got all the wires done and completed, and wiring harnesses and everything they had to do. So, squirrel looks like a little innocent little creature, but they can do some tremendous damage. So again, I got this mint. And you talk about smelling like peppermint. This really does. So what I plan on doing is just come in here and spraying, especially this winter, when they fall and winter, when they start thinking about making babies and making nests. This should keep them out of there. It's, that's what it's for. It's a repellent of rodents. Also, if you think you have mice in your house, you may think they're kind of innocuous, nasty, but you can live with them. Well, let me tell you something. Mice also bring the predator for the mice, which is snakes. We have had that, trust me, I know what I'm talking about. We've had that in the past. A mouse was getting in the house and we couldn't catch him. We tried this and tried that, and we just thought, okay, not that big a deal, until we saw a snake. So mice are food for snakes. So if you have a mouse in the house, a snake could definitely follow him in there, follow the trail that he leads inside your house. So I highly recommend, if you have any kind of rodent problem. I live on a farm. I've got a lot of feed, and out in the barn I've got some mice. I know that. Mice and rats, and I try to keep them down with poison and stuff. But if you have a place that you can't really poison and you want to just discourage them from coming into, they supposedly hate the smell of peppermint. So do snakes, I've heard. So anyway, and I have had a snake in this truck too. Did a YouTube video on that. But rodent repellent, it's natural, it's safe, it's just peppermint, naturally grown. It's not fake peppermint, it's the real stuff. And it will keep rodents out of your life. I'm gonna do it on my tractor over there too. That's a $20-some-odd thousand tractor, and I got to keep the mice and the rodents and the squirrels out of it too, because they'll go in there and do the same kind of damage. So if you have any kind of rodent problem, you need a rodent repellent. Mighty Mint, and I'm telling you what, it does smell like peppermint. It has a strong peppermint smell. I'm thinking this is the solution to my problems. Maybe it's a solution to yours also, and you might want to jump on it and get you some. Hope that helps you.